everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make a 5-fruit puree using Philips Avent baby food maker. So I'll be using these 5 fruits for that. So fresh strawberries, kiwi, it's a golden kiwi fruit I have taken, royal Vela apple, banana, 1 ripe banana, and some frozen ready and washed blueberries. So I'll show you how I will be making this food puree, which is really great for kids which are 1+ of age. So let's get started. I'll start with peeling off the apple first. Now I will show you the quantity of strawberries, kiwi and blueberries that I have used. So basically the puree that we are making is a dominant flavor of apple and banana puree. So we'll be using 1 full apple. I have nicely peeled the apple into cubes. I haven't peeled the banana yet because I'll do it later. And in regards to strawberry, I have just used 1 strawberry. You can see that the strawberry is very ripe. And again, 1/3 of golden kiwi fruit and 5 to 6 frozen blueberries is what I'm using. Now I will show you how to use this steamer and blender cup. So you can see that it does come with this cup, which is a measuring cup. So what you need to do is, you can see it has got some numbers here. I'm not sure if you can see, look, 5 minutes. So you have to fill this cup with 50 mils for all the fruits that you want to steam. So what I'll be doing first is I'll be steaming apples. So I'm going to use this 5 mils of water into this bag here. So this thing opens. So I'll show you, this thing opens here, and I'm going to use this 5 mils of water in this thing. I'm just going to put it here, and then I'm going to close this thing. Then I'll be using this cup. You just open this cup easily and you add these apples in there. So you don't have to steam any other food. All you're doing is just steaming these apples. So I'm just going to add these cubes in here. I'm just going to quickly put it back like this. It's very easy. You can hear a noise. Okay, so you can see that it's been clipped together. Next thing I'll be doing is, you have to match this hole to this hole. So for steaming purposes, you just flip it around. So can you see that green thing? That's where the steam comes from. So we just put it here. And when you put it here, you need to make sure it's all tight and nice. We put the plug on. Once again, this is a steamer, this is a blender. So we are steaming. So when the green thing is down, it means we are steaming. For apples, we have put water here, and we are going to steam it for 5 minutes. So we are just going to put this on, and you can see that red light is there. And once it's steamed, it will make a beep noise. I'll show you how it makes. I just want to show you how it's done. So as you can see, the light is still on, and there is a whole lot of water building up here, which is steaming the apple. So it will be done very soon. So once it's done, it will make a beep noise, which will mean that it's ready to be turned off. So I'll keep the camera on until it makes a beep noise. It's nearly around 4 minutes already, and it will be like done pretty soon. I just want to show you when it does make that noise. So looks like it will be there soon. So okay, that's the noise, and the light is gone off. So we'll just turn it off back. We'll just bring it to that position. We'll just switch off the light at the back, and when it's done, we will just slowly take it off, and then we turn it upside down like this. We'll just put on here, and then we'll open the lid. Okay, just wait. It's not that easy. It's not that hard to do it. So just open the lid softly, and here we are. Okay, as you can see, it's been steamed. So we will leave it open like for 10 minutes until it becomes lukewarm, and then we will add the rest of the ingredients. I'll show you. Now after 10 minutes or after it has gone lukewarm, you can also put it in the fridge to make it a little bit cooler. So that's how it looks like. Now I'm going to add my kiwi, golden kiwi, strawberry and blueberries, and also gonna add one banana to it. So I'm just gonna add these ingredients here and this banana, and then I'm just gonna give it a nice blend. So I will be using this button when I'll be blending it. So I'll show you how. So here it is. I have put all the ingredients in this one, and I'm just gonna put the lid back and give it a nice, the lid closed. The lid has been closed, so I'm going to use this button. So you don't even have to hold it or anything. It's already very tightly secured. All you do is you just blend it nicely. Oh, sorry, I need to put the switch on. So there you go. You can see how it's nicely been made into a nice smooth paste. So I'll just show you. So as you can see, I'll just quickly open that. I can see there is something here. So let's just give it that looks smooth. I'll show you how it does look like. So just open that, and that's where so I've got this 5-fruit puree. The main dominating ingredients are apple and banana, but I have already added a little bit of golden kiwi, strawberry and blueberries to it, and let's put that into the bowl. So that's how the puree looks like. It does come with a spatula as well, so you can use that spatula to scrape everything and then put that in the bowl. So yeah, so that's the final product. That's the same kind of bowl that I was using earlier. So that's the puree that is ready for any kids 1+, ready to be eaten for them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much.